Hello, for today's video is how to edit your Instagram photos in 2023 update. So Instagram has a built-in editing tools and filters. So this is a great place to start if you're just starting to dabble in the world of image manipulations. So let's try and explore. Press the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen. Then let's try to make a post, a story. Here you can choose on a gallery or you can capture one, but I will choose it on the gallery on the lower left corner. Begin with a quality photo. Even the best filter can't disguise a bad picture, so make sure you're starting with a quality photo. So here, you can swipe to the left and choose from the filters you wanted. There are various choices like here. For example, this one. And on the upper right corner of the screen, you can add text to your photos. You can also change the font. You can also press the middle one and you can put location, mention, questions, avatars, music poll, and some stickers. You can also tap this one for more. And on the 3 stars, you can also put some effects by clicking the 3 stars on the upper right corner. And you can choose from different filters. For example, this one. And on the 3 dots on the upper right, you can also draw and save. So that's how you edit your Instagram photos. I hope that you learned something, and if you have comments or questions, kindly put it on the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.